If you ever find yourself with way too many browser tabs open in Google Chrome and you want to close everything at once, this quick tutorial is going to save you time. Whether your browser is running slowly, you're finished with your work, or you just want a clean start, closing all Chrome tabs at once is very easy. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials every week. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on whether you're using Windows or Mac. Once Chrome is open, you'll see all of your tabs along the top of the browser window. If you have multiple Chrome windows open, this method will close the entire Chrome window that you're currently using, including every tab inside it. Now here's the easiest part. Look to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see the X button there. Click that X button once and Chrome will close the browser window immediately. This means all open tabs in that window will close together at the same time. You do not need to close them one by one, and you do not need to use any special menu or extension. If you only have one Chrome window open, that means all of your tabs will be closed at once. If you have more than one Chrome window open, you'll need to repeat the same action on each window you want to close. Just go to the top right corner of that window and click the X button again. It's a fast way to clear out everything and start fresh. This is especially useful if Chrome is cluttered with dozens of tabs, if you want to free up memory, or if you want to end a browsing session quickly. It's also a simple way to reduce distractions and keep your computer feeling a little more organized. So to recap, open Google Chrome, then click the X button in the top right corner of the browser window. That will close all tabs inside that window at once. It's the quickest method and it works every time. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.